Assalamualaikum, welcome to another tutorial of Wikitections. Today we will learn how to use dictionary in Swift programming language. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, I am giving you 2 seconds to subscribe it. Please hit the subscribe button and like this tutorial if you like it. So tick tick 1, tick tick 2 and hope you subscribe it. So let's begin. What is dictionary? Dictionary is a simple key value pair in which we store value by using keys, right? In previous tutorial we used arrays, and in arrays we store values on index basis, right? In this dictionary we use keys to store some values. So let's initialize. Type var, the name of the dictionary. Let's say I have a dictionary of user, right? And user have many things to save. So let's say we initialize it like this dictionary, then we have to use brackets, then we have to define here data type, right? The values and the keys have some data type, so we have to define that data type, right? So we initialize here the user dictionary. The key is of a string and the value is of also a string. So let's say if we want to store a key in a string but the value in integer, we can use it. So I'm using here a string data type, right? So now how to initialize the data in this user dictionary, right? So we type user, then start square bracket and end square bracket. Now we put here the key first, right? So let's say at 0 the value of user is Aman. Then so we initialize 0 to 4 values in the dictionary. Now let's say if this dictionary has 4 values or 5 values, how to print them, right? So let's say I'm printing here the value of user 1, and here I also want to define the default value. See this, there is an error. What it says, expression implicitly concedes from a string to any, right? What it says if the user is dictionary have a key that have no value, what it will return. So we have to pass here default value. So how to pass default value? Double question mark and just type here the value, like I am using m. But if so, let me copy this and show you why I use this optional function. Because so let's say if key is equal to 5, here I will just Homera, right? So what it will display, the user don't have any key 5. So what it will display, we will see both. The first one is Samina, because we have stored here the 1 equals to Samina, but 5 is not present in this user dictionary, so it prints here Homera. So let me also show you, if you don't use this default function, what it will do, it will do nothing but just it will show nil, right? So let's say at 6th key what it will print. So let's just see that it print nil, right? So this is why I am using here optional. So if we want to remove a value of, if we want to remove a key from the user, what we will do, we will just type here user, then the key, like I am using here 0 key, and then what I will do here, I will just type here nil. So it's a simple way to remove that key value pair from the dictionary, right? So if we want to use here a for loop to iterate the values of dictionary, what we will to just use here, like let's just say that we have key and value, or we can say keys and values, then in what we will add here user, and then we will just simply print we will print here key is keys and value is values, right? So let's run it and result. So here is the way to iterate the dictionary using for loop. So hope you will. So what I said earlier, I said we can use this dictionary or initialize this dictionary in another way also, right? So we can initialize it like this: var font and equals to, then start and end the square bracket, then we have to define the type of the key and then the colon and the key type. This is the data type of key and this is the data type of value, and I just forgot here to mention here the brackets. Now let's just add a single value like Samsung equals to, and the model is A72, right? So then I have to just show you the print add optional because it's mandatory to follow some rules, right? So let's say Motorola. Now let's run and see the results. So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video. Also please subscribe to my channel, so I will upload new tutorials. Share it with your friends and give your feedback on comment section. We will be back with other amazing tutorial inshallah. Allah Hafiz.